So you're coming in for landing and you're on the final and you have to clear these trees. And you think, okay, how it looks to be on the ground. So right here, it looks very wide. See, I have probably 100 meters from one side to another side. And when you are in an aircraft, in a small aircraft, you're flying fast. You're doing maybe 80 km an hour, 100 km an hour, depends. You don't want to be that fast. But you can do even 70 km an hour, but still fast, and everything appears narrow. But if I'm on the ground, it is really wide. So now, if I think of these guys who fly in the bush, in the mountains, those airstrips are way narrow, like a way smaller, way narrow, and you have to be very, very precise. So this is a sort of a mountain airstrip, but it's well maintained, so it's wide. And okay, I think I stepped into some soft stuff. No. I've seen coyotes on this thing. So I have my radio on me. I'm not doing dumb stuff. I'm here to clean up some debris from the runway, and I'm paying attention to everything. So that's the end of the airstrip, and it appears really, really big. But when you are in the aircraft landing, you have different perspective, different type of view. And wow, it smells like berries. So freaking wild. I still have to keep it on the side, even nobody is coming. And this runway is maintained by the city. Even in the winter time, they send the machinery here to plow the snow. It's mostly for emergency. So if they have to evacuate or bring some helicopters or anything like that, they have to have a place to land and take off. Wow, it's really wide. Again, from the aircraft it does not seem to be like that. And from that speed you can't see these things. Yeah. Okay, so going to remove some debris. That's the reason I'm here. I just had to go around. I didn't want to jump on the runway. Man, really, really nice smell. I can't record this thing. It's probably from these trees or something. Oh crap, what the heck is going on with this smell? It's like my sense of smell sharpened in the last couple of days, maybe because I went into the forest area. Those sounds are on the road, or vehicles, are not airplanes. Okay, so someone might take off. I hear an engine running, but I thought he was supposed to call. Okay. Maybe someone is working on the engine. Yeah, this asphalt, these pieces of asphalt are annoying because you drive over it and gives you kind of a bumpy feeling. Oh yeah. Okay, I clear of the active runway. It says 15, so that's the number. The runway 15, you can see it from the air, but not well from here. And this is the last part of the adventure of today. Okay, is that eagle? Feather? Huh? Eagle? No? It smells like a bird, but I don't know, maybe it's crow, but it's kind of big for a crow. Maybe it's eagle. Anyway, so eagle. No aerodynamics. Let me grab these things out of the way. Okay, that was my adventure. Wow, I'm really excited. Whew, see you.